Hi guys, Derek here, and I want to tell you about a really cool find I got on Amazon. It's an electric fireplace. Now, Lisa and I have lived in this home a little over 3 years, and the option they had for a fireplace over here wasn't what we were looking for. So we had to put a gas line in it, and as a good contractor, I've got a long list of home improvement stuff that I got to get to, and I haven't got to this one quite yet. But it's Christmas time, and you gotta have a fireplace in the wintertime, and I was scrolling around on Amazon the other day, and check this out. This is a 60-inch electric fireplace, 299 bucks on Amazon. Literally took me about 15 minutes to install it. Comes all complete. It can hang on the wall, or it could actually, if you were gonna build something for it, you could recess it flush with the wall. The amazing thing is, or the really cool thing about it, it's got a remote, it got some different light options on it, and it puts out a fair amount of heat. So it's got 2 heat levels on it. It's got a heating element back in here and a fan, and so it'll warm up this area really nice. You're sitting here watching TV, we feel the warmth of the fire. My grandkids are gonna be able to enjoy it. If you're looking for something like this, I'll put the link in the description and you can go check it out. But like I said, they've got them from like smaller ones, 36-inch ones, like $149, $199. This one was $299. They got one that's even bigger, a little bit more. I just thought it was cool because it's such a great deal, and it's a good interim fix for us to have the warmth of a fire without spending a whole lot of money on it. Okay. Change the speed, go back to the light one.